Hi there, I'll be showing you the easier way, or you might even want to say the easiest way to do your lesson plan using Excel. I am a physical education teacher, so I'll just give you from perspective with content and everything based on physical education. So what I have to do here, first of all, I have to make something called a master copy. So the master copy will be week number 1, and after I finish making that master copy, I copy it into multiple files and then I rename it according to the week. So I have week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and so on. All of the weeks for the term. Now, so for every week, all that you have to do is to open it. Let me just open week number 5, for example. And here, you have to make sure that you enter week number 5. Obviously, the file got to correspond to the number that is inside. And guess what? That's all that you have to do. Say, for example, week number 5, it says, let me just zoom up a little. It says, the gears and equipment of football. That's for grade 7. Grade 8 is objective of rounders. And grade 9, nature and demands of middle distance. So let's check if that is correct. Yes, gear and equipment, awesome. That's for football for grade 7. And for grade 8 at the bottom here, it says objective of rounders. So this will be very accurate, very accurate. So let's go to another one. Let's say week number 7. Okay, you open it and you go to the data and you just have to enter week number 7 here. I already entered it. So week 7, skills and competition level, scoring in rounders, and skills for track. So let's see, skills, scoring. So these are the skills of football. Perfect, you can't go wrong. Great, it says also the scoring in rounders. So this is very accurate, and this is going to save you a lot of time for yourself, to de-stress, to talk in things that's going to inspire you. You need time for yourself. You should never feel worked out in this profession. Always try to make time for yourself so you can put your best foot or your best step forward. Okay, so how does it work? Well, first of all of this, the data, you get it from something called the content. So here's where you have all of your lesson plan for all of your lesson plan. I have cricket here coming down. I have, let me see, badminton, everything is done right here. So you don't have to do it again. All of the lesson plan is on one content sheet or content tab. So the data, it pulls from the content. Okay, it pulls from the content. For example, the practical in football and so on, it's found in the content. So it pulls from the content. So all that you have to do when creating your master copy is first of all enter your name, then you enter the days for the first week of the term, Monday all the way to Friday, and after that you never have to enter back dates. You must ensure that your timing is okay if you're at a different school. Next, you do some signature of the tab because these tabs here, you have to change your signature, okay? Make sure your signature is okay. Then afterwards, you make multiple copies and then you change for each copy. You make sure that your dates, your class is okay. Your period, you select it from the drop-down list. Automatically, the time will change. You don't have to enter a week, you don't have to enter time. These things are automatically done. So that's okay. And that's how you make the master copy. You're good to go there. So here, and then of course, after you make the master copy and you save it, then you make multiple copies of that master copy. So in each one, you go inside, and all that you have to do is to enter the appropriate week number. Okay, So in this case, it's week number 7. So that should correspond right there, week number 7. So week number 7 says skills and competition level and scoring. And it showed you that was there. So this is the easiest way to do lesson plan. I hope you appreciate the video. And I encourage you to have time for yourself, to live and enjoy this life, to see life differently, and to make an impact in the world that you're living in.